What you guys got into? What's going on?
Changing out
some studs.
Yeah, wanted extended studs, so we put an ARP.
Oh, there's an ARP extended studs.
ARP part number 100-7711.
Sweet. So you heard it, guys. You can order extended studs with your kit, right, Sing?
Yep, you sure could.
Sweet. KK the mastermind. Okay, this is a mock-up.
Like this, right? This one was this way, like this.
I pull it up and I pull it. This is supposed to lean.
Oh, this is
Alright, tilt to the angle right there.
Yeah. So it's like this. So now I need to get this piece right here.
Yes.
I need to get it to fit.
Oh, that's what you're doing.
Yeah, because what happened when I did the other one, it was hitting the back of this.
I think I figured out what's wrong with this already. Yeah, I did something wrong. That's what I'm saying.
So the motor's not starting. He forgot to put in the flux capacitor fluid.
Yeah.
There we go, right there.
Flux
Now it's gonna start. Oh man, this thing should be up and running. Up and running today. Chad did a good job, man. Took out, swapped supercharge and all the components over to this NA motor, and today should be the day. Right, Chad?
Oh yeah, I'll give it like an hour. I have to adjust this and put it to.
You're gonna make it spit fire or what?
Yeah, we can adjust this wrong so that it misfires, and then we'll shoot some fire out.
Yeah. KK's new pride and joy right here. That new right-hand side Supra. New to the fleet. Some brand new Cosmos. Nice bike, KK.
Thanks, brother.
Nice, man. Oh, look at the inside. Oh, it came like that?
Yeah, I think these are just the stick-on.
Oh, the stick-on type?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. You gonna boost this one or?
Yeah, definitely. It's definitely gonna be boosted.
Nice, bro.
Anything's just trying to get a clean body, you know?
Yeah. What kit did they call this kit right here? That's on it.
I think this is the GT something.
Or the N1 or something, or N? No?
I'm not sure.
It looks nice though.
Yeah, it gives it that 90s look, you know?
Yep.
The whole 90s era. And whenever I boost it, I'm gonna go ahead and change out the exhaust.
Exhaust definitely, but it looks decent right now.
Yeah, it does. Yeah.
Clean.
The sound and everything, its quality, it's pretty solid.
Clean too, no dings or nothing.
Yeah, just a couple of scratches here and there from whenever they shipped it.
Good price on it. Oh, this is exactly what it came from Japan, right? With a
Correct,
kit. With a kit.
Yeah.
Is this a stock kit or is this an aftermarket kit?
All it has is the sides and the rear, and then the front. I ordered another different front.
A different front. Okay.
Because this is the stock. This is the stock front.
Oh, something to like match there.
Yeah, that way it can match the sides and the rear.
Yeah. Man.
Yeah.
Cause the front it has a little up thing right here.
Yeah, I think they just slapped it on because it's supposed to have a bracket in the bottom.
Yeah.
See, the bracket pushes
up, right?
Pushes it up. See.
Yeah.
But the bracket's missing, so that's why I went in and ordered another kit.
Yeah, it's been like that forever. So the sun kind of like
sun baked it
like that.
And, you know, sun baked it up on it like that. Other than that, it's
man.
clean.
Super clean.
Yes, yeah, super clean.
Nice, man. So your collection is complete now, bro. Like, what else do you? I mean,
I don't know. This was a spontaneous buy. I don't know why. I just out of nowhere, I was like, you know, I wouldn't mind having a Supra, and I ended up just buying it.
Just getting one, right? Yeah.
Yeah, just out of I don't know.
Well, man, if it's available.
I've always wanted it, you know what I mean? But it didn't dawned on me to go ahead and go out and just buy it. You know, because I already have the RX-7, so
Yeah.
then the 180, then the DA6.
Yeah.
So it's like, should I even buy the Supra? And then so you know what, fuck it.
Man, it's a good investment anyway, you know?
Yeah, exactly. You know what I mean? Because they're going up like big time.
Yeah, they're going up.
All the NAs are going up for some reason.
Yeah, because it's, you know, it's boosted.
It's easily boosted.
Yeah. All right, bro. Nice. Customers CRX.
Yeah, yes, sir. Well, we're gonna do the whole all-wheel drive in the CRX. We're taking this thing out. We're gonna put our cast one on. We're gonna put
Coilovers.
coilovers with our billet right over there, billet forks. We're getting this one here, but he wanted to powder coat it.
You want to put it coated white?
Yeah, one powder coated white. We got
Nice.
the other piece for the front. We gotta do also.
Okay.
This one's a diff mount. I think he's gonna run.
That's mint, man.
Came out really.
Came out good. ProFab, right?
Yeah, ProFab. So I'm gonna clean all this stuff out before all this gets in my eye.
Yeah. Cause it's like a. It's pleasure, right? It's gonna go full race with this, right? Painted everything.
It's painted. Yeah, I think get everything all painted. It's gonna be a race show street, so it's gonna be a real nice build when it gets done. K-Series. When you do this is just a little heads up. If you guys ever do, this is the only thing that you guys gotta take out, this hanger right here.
Yeah. Not gonna be.
So that has come out because these bolts hole right here.
Yeah.
That's what this is gonna bolt onto. Those right there. On this
Okay.
side here is good because it's right here. It's these, so these gotta come off. Yeah.
And that's
Hold it onto there, yeah.
Okay. For the CRX in it. Oh,
That's
EF
the CRX.
or just CRX? Just CRX,
Yeah,
right?
CRX, yeah.
Okay,
And
good.
you can see we cut this already. This box here, and then we're gonna notch this out.
Top
Put the other
mount.
plate on, and then it's ready to
Get
everything
these
going
off.
on. Yep.
So he's getting the full version too, then.
Yeah, for version 2. So
What Chinese is he gonna? What differential is he gonna use?
I don't know.
Element CRX.
No, I think you're using a
CRV.
CRV.
CRV. Yep. This is like this is straight shell.
So,
He said so. We're gonna do pretty much everything on this car for him, or he's gonna do some stuff himself, or
well, we're just gonna do the diff mount. We're gonna weld this part. We're gonna take this out for him,
okay.
and then we're gonna weld it. But he's gonna do
How-
this first, get all the motor, and bring it back. Because it's the only thing that he wanted done. So trying to
Okay.
get this thing done. You know, it's actually a pretty good CRX. The reason why it is there's no rust on it.
Oh yeah, there is no rust. Yeah.
Because everything's gonna come off anyway. So I'd rather have this, you know, $400
Then
for the
something
shell.
with rust.
Yeah, with something with rust that looks mint on the outside, but
Rust,
when
yeah,
you start,
underneath.
yeah, on the bottom is no. I take this any day.
Okay,
Look
cool.
at this. There's no rust on this thing.
Yeah, there is no rust.
Florida car.
Definitely a Florida car.
So if you guys are gonna buy a car, buy it in Florida.
Yep. Hear that? Let us know. We have connections.
The trunk cover plate installed by Kenroy. Hi, Kenroy. Kenroy is from Jamaica, and he does lots of fabrication in Jamaica. He came here for 1 week to help us out, which is pretty awesome. And that's the customer right there in the hat, Ryan. Sean is installing or putting together the cast arms for him right now. So we just finished the installation process on our all-wheel drive kit on a customer CRX with the rear diff mount kit and sleeves for the billet forks powder coated in white. He's got the 5 lux custom cast aluminum trailing arms and the version 2 rear diff mount kit, along with our billet forks on Megan Racing coilovers.
We got the mock-up here of the one and only exhaust header for K-Series going in a EF thing. CRX only or all K-Series?
It's all K-Series. But this one here, we're doing we mocked up a all-wheel drive header for the K-Series. So what's happened, it was different between these.
It clears completely, right? Yep.
Yeah, clear. So what happens is this. All right, let me do this. So you got, if you look in here, for most headers, it swings this way here. but you could tell here that it doesn't give you the transfer cases in the instant away. So most of the headers, they can't swing it back down without hitting the transfer case. So we had to redesign it. So ours goes straight down here, and then we're gonna put a V-band there, and we're gonna actually so you can fit the the header in.
Yeah.
And then after that, it'll be V-band, and then they'll come out, you know,
to whatever piping you want.
Yeah, yeah. So this uses a 1 7/8 tubing all the way. So, but we're gonna go ahead and get it all welded, and then test it on a dyno, see what difference it makes and all that.
Yeah.
And hopefully it does good, and we can start
Manufacturing them for the world.
Yep.
Big up to Kenroy from Jamaica, Kenrich, Instagram.
Oh, yeah. Kenrich and on Instagram for coming out to help us out. I mean, it was a blessing to have him here, you know, to help us out, not just in this, but doing some other welding for us, because we've been slammed. So
Yeah, nice work.
so hopefully we get to travel down to Jamaica and
Yeah.
soon.
Go
Visit
yeah.
him.
Check it out. But yeah, it's coming on. You guys can see. It clears everything. So this will be the manifold to get right here, guys. Available soon. How soon, Sang, you think?
I don't know. It all depends. You know how it is.
Yep,
Can't tell.
gets busy.
You tell someone to say, "Oh, this," and the next thing you know, it's not just us. If we were just us producing it, it'd be a lot easier. But you know, you got to wait for the guy that's making the pipes for us and all that. And
Plus, we gotta test it out and see what the
Yeah,
gains are.
Testing and all that, yeah. So.
True.
But I think the only drawback is this right here. If you have a right-hand drive car, it's not gonna work.
If a right-hand drive car, you can't use it, right?
No, I don't see it. Alright. Put it on.
Okay, so we are, yeah, I was right. We are able to do the extended.
This is my
studs
live
for
in
you.
action. This is how she, you know,
So,
take care of the
I
business.
told you not to put me on there, boy. I have a customer on the phone.
Exactly.
It's okay.
So if you want to go ahead and place that order with the extended studs, we'll go ahead and add it onto your order, and then we'll install it for you before we send it out.
She's gonna say cut.
What I
Do
can
it again.
do is, do you have Cash App or Venmo?
Come on, Sam. Come on. You want to raise it up? Let's raise it up and see how. Raise it up and see what the clearance looks like.
Okay, go.
Push it up. This is what the clearance looks like. So you guys can see from the bottom. You got this. You got at least what? You got at least 1.5 inches thing, 2 inches.
Oh yeah, and then we're gonna get a V-band here.
Yeah.
Like I said, for installations, you know, this one will be V-band, and it's gonna come out.
Right there.
Yeah, most likely probably swing it. We'll probably swing it more of a better angle.
There's a little tilt, right?
Yep. And after that, we're gonna dump the 3 to a 4.
A 3 to a 4?
For this car. Yeah, this 4 inch.
Wow!
4 inch, and after that, we'll bring it and we just dump it.
Looking nice.
It's that all-wheel drive. So. So yeah, you got a lot of.
Yo. Oh, these are the front doors now? You don't talk. Sang, these are the front doors, right?
Yes, you can talk.
So the front doors are gutted also. Light, weight.
Shaved off on the 2 front door. We shaved off 130 pounds.
130 pounds. 130. What's up, Mike?
Hey.
Shipping off?
Some arms, yep. These are the extended studs on our cast aluminum arms. Going out to a customer, I believe in Ohio.
Ohio? Yeah, well, I'll just record Sewn and KK putting this mug together.
Yeah.
Nice.
But as always, we appreciate you guys for tuning into our channel, and we always appreciate the love and support.
Sweet. See this, people?